Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming account access and any linked email or phone because recovery keys or notifications are often sent there. Once done, stop using the device. This preserves deleted map tiles and local databases. Make sure to enable developer or advanced settings if required. This reveals cache folders and export options. Connect via USB or log into your cloud backup. These are the two primary sources. By preparing both local and cloud channels now, you maximize chance of full history restoration. You next extract local cache and the map application's database files. Look for DB or SQLite plus exported JSON or KML. If files are missing, run a forensic file recovery tool to scan unallocated space. This recovers recently deleted entries before they are overwritten. Simultaneously, check cloud backups and version history because many map services keep prior revisions. Make sure to correlate timestamps and user ID to reconstruct sequences. By combining raw file recovery with cloud versions, you finish by merging recovered records into a working database, carefully validating coordinates, timestamps, and edit metadata so nothing conflicts. Then import using the app's import tool or API and run integrity checks. Export a backup immediately. If import errors appear, revert to a pre-import snapshot and rerun the recovery scan because partial imports can corrupt timelines. If recovery stalls, escalate to provider support with logs and sample files. This saves time and preserves evidence of deletion and restoration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.